Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's short video, we're going to talk about where we stay in the very popular Interlaken, Switzerland, and we're going to briefly touch on what we did there and where to go around it. So after storing our luggage, we took a quick 20 minutes train ride to Lautenbern, where it's the home to 72 different waterfalls and you can hike to get a view of the Jungfrau region. Because it's so close to Interlaken, you can totally do this as a day trip. The next day, we took a cable car up to Harderkum, where it sits at 1,323 meters above sea level. Needless to say, the view was spectacular. I recommend going a little early for the cable car because the line does get pretty long. And while you're there, make sure to grab lunch at the top of the mountain. Okay, let's check out Hotel Royal St. George. The lobby has a lot of space and has a grand staircase going up to the second floor. The hotel rooms are split into the old wing and the new wing. And we're staying at Hotel Royal St. George, which surprisingly is part of the Accord group, which I'm not terribly familiar with, but it's good to have recognition here anyway. Breakfast is included. I actually booked a standard room, a standard modern room in the modern wing. So they actually have a modern wing and a traditional hotel wing. So I'm in the modern room. This room is quite spacious, even though it's listed as 270 square feet. So quite nice, and everything is so new. Let's take a look at the room first. Well, again, we have the USB port, very great. And then we have a nice AC unit. It's very important in the winter and especially in the summer as well. And got this closet unit right here, king size bed, and I just can't wait to show you guys the best feature of this room. So the Nespresso machine is here. We got the pots right in here. Free water, which is great, stay hydrated, and let's go. Let's show you the best. Look at that. Right from our balcony. That's so cool. Take a good look. Wow, look at that. That's just amazing. Amazing. This view is priceless, really. And down here is the main street of Interlaken. Very nice. And we've got a nice wraparound balcony area where you can sit here and have dinner or breakfast or tea or whatever, right? Coffee. It's so great. And then over here, you can go up the mountain. We're probably gonna do that tomorrow, go up and see the view. But everything is great. Look at that. Wow. That's just amazing. If you like this kind of content, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Now going back inside, let's take a look at the bathroom and the shower room. My favorite part of the bathroom is still these heating racks for towel. These are so useful. The next morning, we have breakfast on the ground floor, which is included in the room rate. There's a lot of variety of different food and they all tasted delicious, which is a great way to start the morning in Switzerland. And with that, I want to thank you all for watching, and if you like these kind of travel contents, please subscribe to the channel because we have a lot more coming. Alright guys, see y'all next time. Bye.